So if you have some cord or thread that you want to add a knot to, but you want the knot to be in a particular place, or if you want it to be in the same place for both threads or cords, what you can do is you can take something that's made out of cork. You can get this from a kitchen supply place or from a discount store. They don't cost a lot of money. And you can lay out your cords or your threads and then mark out where you want your knot to go by using a dressmaking pin like this. And then just pin it in place on your board, and then just pin the other cord or thread in place on the board, and then you just want to take both ends of your cord or thread and just tie your knot by the pin, and then do the same thing with the other thread or cord. And then you can have two knots that are identically placed like that.